Yeah. This one is smiling. For today's video, we're going to open the box. Oh, light up my life. And we will see what are the things that I ordered from Thin Lizzy. By the way, this brand was introduced by me by my previous colleague at my first job here in NZ. My colleague, and since then I'm always using it. I love this. You can be confident, you can be in love, you can be bombshell, you can be the bad boy. See, 4 perfumes. I hope this is worth it. I love this one. Yeah, see. And these are all the packing slips. And these are all my favorite cream every morning, and it makes my skin brighten or brighten, makes my skin brighten. Yeah, I like it since from the very start. Use it, and since my colleague introduced this one to me, and ever since I'm always using it until now, because it's always nearly running out. I already made an order, so my use will not going to be interrupted. So I buy. This one is free. And since I have issue with my baby here, I always want something that can fix this one. So I see this product at Thin Lizzy, and then I made an order. And then this one also is a free one. Buy one, take one. Even it's a buy one, take one thing, it's still expensive. This one, since I have got this, so this one is just free caviar 3R. I don't know what is the purpose of this one, but because it's free, I accepted it. But this one says repair, renew, rejuvenate. Maybe this one is also good in my face, so I will try it once all my things are done. Yeah, I wanna try this 4. And this is my favorite thing here. Auto color. I wanna try this one later. I like this. I like this to try. I really love the product of Thin Lizzy. I'm not endorsing it, but I really like it. Yeah. I felt so very special. Thank you. You know it's you, babe. But I'm not gonna use this. I'm not gonna use this right away since I still have things. I will take a moment after everything is finished, and then I will try to use all of this. But for now, I will just, and let's see my packing slip. Caviar, thin, Air One Curler Thin Lizzy gift set. Considering it's a gift set, I'm gonna see if this, what time is it already? OMG, 5 minutes only. Look like it's already 15 minutes. I'm gonna open it now and see if it's worth it. Thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me my emotion. It says here, you can be confident, you can be in love, you can be the bombshell, you can be the bad boy. Let's try all of it. Wow, very nice packaging. Let's try the you can be confident first. Wow. Smells rich. Smells richer. I like the smell. If my colleague will see me, I also ordered this kind. Yeah, oh, she remember what I taught her. Yeah. Oh my god, I like the smell. Very richy. Ang hirap tanggalin sa plastic. I like both of them. This one is in love. Yeah. This one is in here. Be confident. You can be confident. You can be in love. And this one is the bombshell. Ang hirap niyang tanggalin, in fairness. Nisira ko ng plastic, di natanggal. Ang hirap, bibili naman ako. Bihira. I love scents. Hirap tanggalin. And this one is the bombshell. Love it. I love it. It's worth it. See? If you are going to buy like Versace, Armani, Chanel, this is only worth $77, I think, for 4. But I like the smell. It's worth it. OMG. I can't remove. Shit. That's all forward. God. I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it because it's really hard to lagi. This is the bad boy. So it means panlalaki. Panlalaki pala to. Ay, panlalaki nga. You can put all of this in your mini bags. It's awful. I love it. This one, if you are confident, if you are in love, the bombshell, bad boy. So it's for men. Love. Bombshell. Ah, ang ganda. Ang bango. I like it. Bombshell. Ganda. This one. I like it too. Confident. I'm gonna buy all the time in Thin Lizzy for this perfumes. It's worth it, guys. It's worth it. It's worth a try. But what about for men? For men. Yeah, it's also nice. I like it. I like it. What about this In Love? I love it. It's worth it, really. I love it. I love it. I'm always gonna try all of it. It's very fragrant. I love it. You know, I will choose this for instead of buying more expensive perfumes. I would rather choose this because it's worth the scent. It's really worth it. And also, I don't know how to use this compact, cordless, color, perfect colors and seconds. Multi-directional important functions, 6 settings, around curling tube. I already have straightener, blower, and then this one is a curler. But I'm not using the straightener. But I want to, you know, I'm always making an experiment to do things. This hair wand is for this one, for my baby hair, because it's always have like this. You know, my baby hair. This one is, I ordered before from a different merchant. But because I've seen it now with that Thin Lizzy have their own kind of hair wand, I will going to have this a try. This caviar, I think this one is too beautiful with your face. I'm looking forward to this one. Makes my skin soft. This one makes my skin white. That's why. How many minutes are there? Yeah. I'm contented now with all of this. Oh. Happy. And since you still have, if you have time with if you want to make yourself beautiful, and if you, of course, if you have money, then buy whatever you like in order to please yourself. Don't wait for you to get old before you experience things that is not worth anymore, because you're already old. So while you're young, spend your time to make you feel more beautiful and relaxed, and always pamper yourself. Yeah. Because life, we only live once, so enjoy our life to the fullest. Buy things that make you happy, but not the thing that makes you down in debt. Just only take it slow. Take it slow. And be happy all the time. That's my main goal. Yeah. I love the scents, really. It's still in me. It's worth it. There is also a big size, but if you're just trying what are the best scents to buy, just try first the gift set, and then if you like the scents now, you can try the big one if you already tested the small ones. Thin Lizzy is the best for me. Yeah, Thin Lizzy. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.